everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the password of your Shein account right from the app. It's a simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you've already downloaded the app on your phone, and then open up the app. In order to change the password of your account, first of all, you need to be logged into your account. So tap on sign in. From here, enter your login details to which you have created your account before. So I'll go on and put my email address. So I've just entered my email. Now tap on continue. Now enter your password. You are now logged into your account. So in order to change the password of your account, you will have to go to the bottom right corner of your screen that says me. Tap on it. Now you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. In the settings menu, select manage my account. Now here you can see the change password option. Tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your current password first. Tap on old password. Put your current password over here. After entering your current password, you will need to enter your new password twice to confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Once you've entered your new password, tap on submit to finalize the change. And that's it, you successfully changed your password. To make sure everything is working, log out and then log back in using your new password. This helps to verify that your changed password was successful. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.